Okay, everybody, I'm doing this video for my YouTube channel. Here's my vintage 95 rts3 converted into a road bike for me because I'm getting older. I'm running specialized Nimbus tires on it. It has the no-lean shock. I had the rear triangular suspension powder coated. I put rat trap pedals on it for now. I'm running aftermarket rims that are purple to match the bike's finish. I have a brace for the rear brake caliper, brake setup, I should say. I'm running STX components. I'm running this Smiley's long travel suspension mod, which makes the suspension an actual fully working suspension. And I got a 550-pound spring I put in there to, that's the mod you have to do when you do the suspension. I'm running my cycle computer. I got my purple handlebars. I got the purple theme going here. I'm running RockShox forks with a White Brothers modification. These are the 21R forks. There's an they have rubber elastomers in it rather than a spring. I'm running Ritchie Logic brake pads, which really help. I got specialized Nimbus tires I mount onto it, and yes, I do have the off-road tires for it. I think there you can see the tires, you can see the shocks, the RockShox suspension fork, the 21R, the quad, and like I say, it's been modified. You can see the finish. I bought this bike brand new in '95. It's always been my baby. Now that I'm older, I converted it to road use. In the last 3 days, I've ridden it 80 miles on the road, and I'm going to back away so you guys can see a better view of it. I do have a different seat coming for it. This seat is the actual original seat to the bike. It's a Veta Tri-Shock, and it is being changed out. I'm putting a different, newer style seat on it. I have various stems for it. I just happen to put this one on here because it's a little shorter stem, but I have a core stem that's yellow, like the forks for it as well. You can see it's an rts3. I'm running dual water bottles, and if you notice, they're the original GT water bottles that are on it. So basically, this is an all original GT. I had the stock rims for it and everything else, but when I built this thing, put it together back in the day, I put almost $5 grand into it. So it's still my baby. I don't plan on getting rid of it. I just now ride it on the road. So right here it is. I'm going to upload this video to YouTube, to my channel, and I'm using a Park Tool stand. It's never had a kickstand mounted to it. There's actually no real way to put a kickstand on a bike like this. I have I got the rat trap pedals on it for now, but I have clipless, and I got the shoes if I need to. Only thing I've done to it since here in the past year is I have replaced all the inner cabling on it, put all new cables on it, not because they were bad, just because I felt it was time to change them out. The shifters are original to it, and it's been a great bike for me. These are the original hand grips on it even. So I just haven't wanted to change it out. These are the original Shimano STX caliper brake levers on it, and goes right down the line. So all the components are original. Just I've resurfaced them, I should say. So I hope you enjoy this quick view of the rts3. And this is actually a 1995 bike, and I've had people offer me a lot of money for it. My last offer was over $800, and I just can't part with it. So just thought I'd put this out there. You guys can check it out. I'm going to put special hashtags and links on my YouTube so everybody can see it. I know there's a lot of guys that are into the vintage stuff. And this is the Gary Turner edition, and it's a full TIG welded aluminum frame that's on it. And I even have the original tag underneath here from the bike shop I got it from. It's still on there. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.